Čaute, hodinu a 3/4 pred Dismasom vám ponúkam exkluzívny pohľad zo zákulisia, jak sa toto stavia. Tamto je Lori. A chalani z kapely. Tu si pozri bicie. A tam sú ďalší chalani. Hej. Takže tak, a poďme sa pozrieť do backstage, keď tam budú chlapci.
Yeah, house lights fade out and then now into the So as soon as you like go back to the iPod and just be ready to hit play. Okay. Because as soon as they scream out.
Hey, is there only 80 shirts out there?
I saw 3.
I saw like.
Do they know where the Jumbo Center
I
is?
don't know how many.
I heard they Jumbo Center. A Maxi store. Look at that. What were you saying?
Probably about 10 years of my life.
Asi 10 posledných rokov sú stále na turné a rôznych koncertoch.
I've been all over the world. I've been to Asia. I've been all over the United States. I've been to Slovakia.
Po celom svete, bol som v Amerike, v Ázii, som na Slovensku.
But I want to share a story with you guys about this tour that I was on a few years back.
Chcel by som vám povedať zvlášť o jednom túr.
Ako moderátor, organizátor, mám tu česť doniesť sem Mariové sako, prepotené. A aj taký je show business, aj taký je rock and roll, man. Takže dá.